1. What is the primary purpose of an author using foreshadowing in a narrative? A. To build suspense. B. To clarify setting. C. To describe characters. D. To resolve conflict. 2. In literary analysis, what does the term tone refer to? A. The topic of the passage. B. The author's attitude toward the subject. C. The moral of the story. D. The setting's time period. 3. If a character is described as unwavering in her ideals, what does that imply? A. She is dishonest. B. She frequently changes her mind. C. She holds strong values. D. She avoids responsibility. 4. Which of the following best defines a central theme in a text? A. The story's ending. B. The main character's name. C. A recurring idea or message. D. The text's title. 5. Which text structure is commonly used in persuasive writing? A. Chronological. B. Problem and solution. C. Descriptive. D. Narrative. 6. Choose the sentence that uses proper subject-verb agreement. A. The list of items are on the table. B. The dog or the cats was in the yard. C. The book and the pen is on the desk. D. Each of the students has a notebook. 7. Which sentence is written in active voice? A. The homework was completed by John. B. The project was approved by the teacher. C. John completed the homework. D. The results were analyzed by the scientist. 8. Identify the grammatically correct sentence. A. Me and Sarah are going to the library. B. Sarah and I are going to the library. C. Sarah and me is going to the library. D. I and Sarah are going to library. 9. Which is a compound sentence? A. I walked to the store and bought milk. B. I enjoy reading, it helps me relax. C. Because I was tired, I went to bed. D. The cat slept in the sun. 10. What is the purpose of a thesis statement in an essay? A. To entertain the reader. B. To introduce supporting details. C. To present the main argument. D. To summarize all paragraphs. 11. What is 35% of 200? A. 65. B. 60. C. 70. D. 75. 12. Solve for x. 3x minus 7 is equal to 11a. 3. B. 6. C. 5. D. 4. 13. Which of the following is equivalent to square root of 49? A. 9. B. 7. C. 6. D. 5. 14. A triangle has angles measuring 40 degrees and 65 degrees. What is the measure of the third angle? A. 75 degrees. B. 85 degrees. C. 55 degrees. D. 45 degrees. 15. If y equals 2x plus 1, what is the value of y when x equals 4? A. 6. B. 9. C. 8. D. 11. 16. Which macromolecule is primarily responsible for carrying genetic information? A. Carbohydrates. B. Lipids. C. Proteins. D. Nucleic acids. 17. What is Newton's first law also known as? A. Law of conservation. B. Law of inertia. C. Law of motion. D. Law of energy. 18. Which process occurs in the mitochondria to produce energy for cells? A. Photosynthesis. B. Cellular respiration. C. Transcription. D. Osmosis. 19. Which of the following best describes a hypothesis? A. A confirmed law. B. A scientific guess. C. An untested assumption. D. A testable prediction. 20. Water freezes at what temperature in Celsius? A. 0 degrees Celsius. B. 32 degrees Celsius. C. Minus 32 degrees Celsius. D. 100 degrees Celsius. 21. What is the main purpose of the U.S. Constitution? A. To grant freedom to slaves. B. To set guidelines for public education. C. To establish a framework for government. D. To elect political leaders. 22. What economic system is based on supply and demand with minimal government interference? A. Command economy. B. Market economy. C. Traditional economy. D. Mixed economy. 23. What was one major result of the Civil War? A. U.S. gained independence from Britain. B. Slavery was abolished in the U.S. C. Women gained the right to vote. D. Prohibition was enacted. 24. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? A. Woodrow Wilson. B. Harry Truman. C. Herbert Hoover. D. Franklin D. Roosevelt. 25. The Bill of Rights is a collection of A. Tax codes. B. Supreme Court cases. C. Executive orders. D. First 10 amendments to the Constitution. Test assessing secondary completion. The Test Assessing Secondary Completion (TASC) is a high school equivalency exam designed to assess whether individuals possess the academic knowledge and skills equivalent to those of a high school graduate in the United States. Administered across 5 subject areas: reading, writing, mathematics, science, and social studies, the TASC test provides an alternative path to earning a high school diploma for individuals who did not complete traditional high school. Recognized by many states, the TASC evaluates both foundational and applied knowledge through multiple choice, technology-enhanced, and constructed response questions. Passing the TASC demonstrates college and career readiness, helping candidates pursue higher education, job advancement, or enlistment in the military. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Provides high school equivalency. The TASC exam offers individuals who did not graduate from high school a valid and widely recognized alternative credential, proving they possess equivalent academic skills. 2. Improves employment opportunities. Many employers require at least a high school diploma or equivalent. Earning a TASC certificate can open the door to better job prospects, increased wages, and career advancement. 3. Enables access to higher education. TASC certification allows individuals to meet the minimum education requirement for admission to most colleges, trade schools, and training programs, promoting long-term educational goals. 4. Supports military enlistment. A TASC certificate meets the high school completion requirement for joining the U.S. military, giving individuals access to enlistment and career training opportunities. 5. Boosts personal confidence and achievement. Successfully completing the TASC exam can empower individuals with a sense of accomplishment and motivate them to pursue additional academic or professional milestones.